In this video guide, I will show with you how to get best promo codes and discounts in Tremendos. This is a platform is you can send a gift cards monthly. So you can get promo codes by go to Google search for Tremendos promo codes. This is the website. I use the first website, Deals Spotter. This discount website, you can get through this website discounts and promo codes. Just choose this one, Deals coupon codes, copy this code, and you can use on this platform. As you can see here, friends, you have actually a lot of promo codes and discounts. Just click discount here, and then you will see this code, copy these codes. You can also use this website, Retail Me Not. This is also a website. You have offer free shipping. You can get discounts and deals through this platform. So guys, as I say, this is the website I use to get discounts here. And if I scroll down, you can use special offer here, special offers from here. This is for offers and discounts. So friends, you can use also this website. This website offer promo codes for Tremendos. So friends, you can use this website Konji also. This is good website. You can try codes. Just click try codes and you can use your promo codes here. Just click copy this one. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video.